Hi guys, my name is Francisco Barrera. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of LADO, and we are celebrating the Hispanic Heritage Month. And today I will show you how to make tacos. For this easy taco recipe, we will use 6 ingredients: 1 onion, 1 pound of meat, 3 strips of bacon, salt, pepper, and tortillas. The first ingredient that we will use is the bacon, and it's going into the cast iron pan. As you can see, the bacon is cut. Okay. Okay, when we have a crispy bacon, we will add the second ingredient, and that will be the meat. When we see that the meat is almost cooked, almost completely cooked, we will add the onion. And then we will mix them. When we see that the meat, the onion is completely cooked, we will add a pinch of pepper. At the same time, we will add the salt, a pinch of salt. We preheat our tortillas. And then we add our stuff inside. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this easy taco recipe. Tacos are a traditional food in my country, Mexico. Enjoy! I want to give credit to my daughter Valentina, who is behind the camera.